Have you ever encountered a stranger who seemed completely out of place? No history, no identity, just an aura of mystery. Today, we delve into extraordinary cases of enigmatic individuals who appear out of nowhere. These people often boast incredible talents or knowledge, yet they come without any background. Let's explore two fascinating examples. In 1954, a man turned up at Tokyo airport with a passport from a non-existent country, Torrid. Authorities detained him, but by morning he vanished. No evidence left behind, not even his passport. Fast forward to 2006, a man, later known as Piano Man, was found wandering in England. He couldn't speak, yet played the piano brilliantly. With no identification and no matching missing person reports, his origin remains a mystery. Some believe these individuals are time travelers, shifting between eras. Others think they may be interdimensional beings, or even subjects of secret government experiments. Speculation runs wild. Are these stories mere hoaxes, or could they unveil undiscovered truths? They challenge our comprehension of reality. Next time you meet someone who seems to come from another world, ponder their origin. Where do they come from? Are they here for a reason? This is Veil of Fortune, where the shadows speak. Like, subscribe, and remember, some mysteries are closer than you think.